Hello, dear student. This is your Altaf sir. Hope all of you are fine at home. So today we are going to learn social study of class 6. That is chapter number 2. That is hunters and gatherers. So as the name suggests, the hunter and gatherers. So this is the name given to the early people. Early people, the early human beings, which are actually the hunters. Means they hunt animals. Gatherers means they gathers fruit, nut, roots for eating and to survive. So that's why they are named. It is given hunters and gatherers in the chapter. So we will learn about their time period. So as we know that the our history is divided into three parts. That is the ancient, medieval, and that is modern. So before the starting of the ancient period, there is some ages that we can say the Stone Age. So Stone Age in this chapter it is given here. So we will learn about the Stone Age in this chapter. Okay. So here I have made a simple note because the chapter is so lengthy and if you go line by line it will take lots of time, isn't it? So I have made this note for better understanding the chapter. Okay. So here the Stone Age is divided into three parts. That is the Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. The word Paleo means the old, and Meso means middle, and Neolithic means new. The Paleolithic age, its time period is from 500 BCE to 10,000 BCE, and the period of the Mesolithic age is from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE, and the period of Neolithic age is from 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. By the end of this period, these early humans were came to know about a metal that is copper. Before that, they are using the stone as their weapons and tools. So by the end of this Neolithic age, they came to know about a metal that is copper. So this period is also known as Chalcolithic. Chalco means here copper. So Chalcolithic age, or we can say copper stone age. So its time period is from 4000 to 200 BC. No, sorry, 2000 BC. So now we are going to learn about the three stone ages, means three ages, one by one. First of all, we go through the Paleolithic age. This Paleolithic age. Okay. So Paleolithic age, its time period starts from 500 BC to 10,000 BC. So main sources of this Paleolithic peoples we can find from the artifacts and the skeletal remains of the humans and animals. So what is an artifact? Artifact is the tools and the weapons, pottery, sculptures, toys, jewelries, etc. used by the people of that period. So they are known as the artifacts. Okay. And the remains, skeletal remains and the humans of animals, no need to discuss it. So tools, what are the tools they used? Tools, axe head like hammers. So all these tools are made of stones, not from any other metal. Okay, got it. That's why this age, the name of this age is Stone Age. So axe heads, hammers, choppers, etc. So these are the tools. So there are two types of tools in this period. They used two types of tools in this period. Let's see here. Tools are of two types in that period. Number one is core tool and flag tools. The core tools are for heavy work like chopping woods, scalping the scalping the barks of the trees, and digging the earth, etc. These are the work which are done by the core tools. Means these core tools are used for heavy works like such type of works. And flake tools, these are very small and sharp tools which are used for chopping meats. Means whatever they hunt, they used to chop them and to eat. And skinning animals. Skinning animals means to take out the skins of the animals. After hunting, they used to take out the skins of the animals and they make the clothes of it, All of you know that they wear the animal skin to protect, cover their body, isn't it? So there are the two ways. So two types of tools used by the early humans at the Paleolithic age. Clear? And art and architecture. So they are also fond of art and architectures. Some of the sites were found very beautiful and bright paintings. Okay, toward the end of the Paleolithic age, some bright and beautiful paintings were found in various sites, not only in India but across the world also. Like Altamira in Spain. So this is a site where the paintings of the Paleolithic age peoples were found. Les Sucres in France. So these are the two out in the out of India, and some of the sites which are in India like Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, Bori in Maharashtra, and Baichal Valley that is in Karnataka. So these were the sites which are available of paintings of the Paleolithic peoples. So actually, what are the themes of their paintings? So they are interested in paintings, we know. So what are the themes? Or what topic they use to paint or to draw something? So their main themes were scenes from everyday life of the Paleolithic people. Means what are they do in their life, in the everyday life. So that they depict on their paintings. Their hunting scenes for the men who hunt the animals, and their scene of their huntings are painted. Riding, dancing, performing religious rituals. These are the performance of the men which were depicted on their paintings also. And women's grinding and preparing food. Whenever they are used to grind some things, and whenever they are preparing their foods, that scenery is also painted. The children's of the people's early peoples, when they were running or jumping or playing something like that, they used to also means depict that scene also in their paintings. So apart from this, pictures of the animals have also been found in different sites. Means apart from this everyday life scenes, they used to paint some different types of animals in their paintings. Got it? So for paintings, they need colors. So what type of colors they use? They use mostly red color, green. Let me see here. Red, green, white, and reddish yellow. These are the types of the colors they used in their paintings. So two important things which are very important in this Paleolithic age, that is the invention of two important things. Two important inventions, that is the invention of fire. Here it is. The two important invention, I have made a short note. So two important invention that was in the Paleolithic age, that is the discovery of fire and invention of wheel. So discovery of fire, I have told in class 2, class 3, class 4 also, how the early men used to discover the fire, maybe rubbing the two stones together. So we already learned in lower classes. No need to discuss here again. The invention of wheel is also an important invention. So discover the fire. What are the uses of fire? How the fire was used by the early humans? So they use fire for protecting themselves from the cold, from the wild animals, keeping themselves warm in the winter seasons, and for cooking and roasting the meats, whatever they hunt or whatever they are cooking. So they use the fire for making their food tastier. Lighting up the dark caves, as we all know that they used to live in the caves, jungles, and caves are mostly dark, and so they, by the invention of the fire, they used to lighten up their dark caves. So it is very beneficial for them also. And before the invention of the wheels, they have to carry their loads on themselves, and they have to move from one place to another place. So it is very difficult for them. So by the invention of the wheels, it was very easy to carry their goods from one place to another place. So it makes very easy. So they used to make the wheels from the tree trunks. Tree trunks means All of you know that what is a tree trunk. So by the cutting in pieces like round piece, they make the wheels of the wheels, so which make it very easier to move from one place to another place with their loads. Okay, this much for today. So in the next video we will discuss about the Mesolithic period, that is the middle stone age. So we'll in the next video we will discuss about this Mesolithic period. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, bye.